Hello crazy coders, I'm Nitin Madhaus, and in this video we'll talk about why Java is so popular and why it has been on the top for so many years. And we will try to answer this question by going through four aspects of this programming language, which is history, philosophy, power and market. And in the history section we'll talk about who created it, when, initial releases, initial features. The video is already out, you can check the description and watch the video. In the philosophy section, which is we're going to cover today, is why it's different, why it's unique, ideology, principles, etc. In the upcoming videos we'll talk about power and market. So in the history video we talked about the three creators of the Java and also the naming history and why it was called Java, and also the story of origin, which is from the Indonesian island called Java, and also the reason it has a coffee logo, which is because it was inspired from a coffee named Java Coffee, and also the timeline of various events in the Java history. So do check out. In this video we'll talk about philosophy. Let's begin. When you Google Java and read the Wikipedia page of Java language, it says that Java is a high-level class-based object-oriented programming language that is designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. It is general-purpose programming language intended to let programmers write once, run anywhere. The syntax of Java is similar to C and C++, but has fewer lower-level capacities than either of them. The Java runtime provides dynamic capabilities that are typically not available in traditional compiled language. So we'll go through the highlighted terms one by one. The major division of programming language is high level and low level language based on the capability of ease of code and level of memory management. So languages such as Python, C++, Java are very easy to code but offer less control over memory. On the other hand, languages such as machine code and assembly language, they are very hard to code but offer greater control over uh, what is called memory. So that's why Java is a high level language. And Java offers object oriented programming. It only offers it because object oriented programming basically means you create objects, you create classes, and you create the objects for them, and during the definition of classes you create states, attributes and behaviors. So this type of programming is considered as very close to real world, because here we create classes and objects just like they exist in real world, like dog1, dog2, dog3, dog4, and we create a class dog with attributes and behaviors. The another level of classification is general purpose language and domain specific language based on their use case. So as you can see, Python, C++, Java are used in wide variety of applications, and language domain specific languages such as HTML and SQL are only used for specialized domain, which is for HTML it's web layout, SQL is databases, but for Python, C++, Java and some other languages there are no restrictions. They can be used to build software in a wide variety of domains. Java actually, one of the main design principle of Java is WORA, which means write once and run anywhere. So it is the design goal of Java. One of the main design goal of Java is portability, and it is achieved by its execution system. So let's talk about it. Java language code, when you write it, it's first compiled into Java bytecode, and then Java bytecode is interrupted by Java virtual machine. So Java bytecode is same for everywhere. you can run it in any operating system, it will be same. But Java virtual machine is different for different operating system and different architecture. So that's why Java virtual machine is platform dependent, but Java itself is platform independent. The dynamic capabilities of Java language include the loading of classes, compilation, garbage collection, reflection, runtime code modification, etc. Okay, the principles of Java include simple object-oriented, familiarity, robust and secure, architecture, neutral and portable, which means platform independence, and quick execute high performance. Performance is also one of the principles of philosophy of Java. It must be interrupted, threaded, and dynamic. As I said, it is interrupted by Java virtual machine, and it is also dynamic because we just discussed the dynamic capabilities of Java. The syntax of Java is mainly inspired and similar to C and C++ because they were already popular, and many programmers were already using it, so it was easy to switch to Java considering the Java offers portability and also high performance. The philosophy of Java mainly falls into three categories, which is object orientation, platform independence, and dynamic capabilities, which we have discussed in this video. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell. We'll catch you up in the next one.